welcome to my video. Today I'm going to share one of my favorite hobbies, which is cooking and baking. So cooking and baking are more than just activities that I do during my free time. They are hobbies that allows me to be creative, learn new skills, and enjoy making delicious food for myself, my family, and the people around me. I started becoming interested in cooking and baking because I enjoy discovering how simple ingredients can be turned into something delicious and special and enjoyable. So, what is cooking and baking? Cooking is the process of preparing food by using different ingredients and methods such as frying, boiling, sauteing, and steaming, and so on and so forth. While baking, on the other hand, usually involves preparing food using an oven. For example, is baking cake, cookies, bread, cupcakes, and so on. What I like about these hobbies is that every recipe can be different. I can follow a recipe, but also I can also experiment another ingredients of food and try different ways of preparing food. One of the reasons I enjoy cooking and baking is because they allow me to feel or express my creativity. I enjoy cooking, enjoy choosing sorry, I enjoy choosing ingredients, preparing them, and watching the food slowly come together. Another another reason is that cooking and baking can be relaxing. Whenever I have free time, being in the kitchen gives me something productive and enjoyable to do. It makes me refreshing. It takes away my stress. I also feel happy and proud whenever I successfully make something delicious. Even when a recipe does not turn out perfect, sometimes cooking and baking does not cannot be perfect as always. But I view it as an opportunity to learn. Mistakes help me understand what I need to improve, and the next time I make the same dish. When I cook or bake, I usually start by listing all the ingredients and tools that I need. First, I read the recipe carefully and make sure that everything I need is ready. Then, I measure the ingredients and begin preparing them. And during the process, I really need to be careful with the temperature, measurements, and cooking time. For baking, following the correct measurement is especially important because the ingredients need to be properly balanced. For cooking, I can sometimes adjust the taste by adding seasonings or changing the amount of certain ingredients to, to achieve that um, savor, savory flavor. Cooking and baking have taught me many valuable lessons. First, they taught me patience. Yes, it is one of the most valuable lessons that cooking and baking gives me. Good food does not always happen instantly. Sometimes I need to wait for the food to cook or the dough to rise. Second, they taught me responsibility. I need to keep my workplace clean, handle ingredients properly, and use kitchen equipment safely. And the third is that it taught me perseverance. There are times when something I cook or bake does not turn out the way I expected. Instead of giving up, I try to understand and I try to understand what went wrong and improve my skills. Most importantly, cooking and baking have taught me that learning takes practice and patience. One of the most enjoyable parts of cooking and baking is being able to share what I cook and bake to the people near close to me. Like seeing my family or friends enjoy my enjoy the food that I prepare gives me a sense of happiness and accomplishment. For me, food is not only about satisfying hunger. It can also bring people together. A simple meal or a freshly baked treat can create memories and make people happy. Overall, cooking and baking are hobbies that I truly enjoy. They allow me to be creative, develop useful skills, and learn important values such as patience, responsibility, and perseverance. Although I am still learning and improving every dish I make, it gives me a new experience because I believe that hobbies do not have to be perfect. What matters is that they make us happy, help us grow, and give us meaningful memories to enjoy. For me, cooking and baking are not just simply about making food. They are about creativity and sharing and creating something with my own hands. And that is why my hobby is cooking and baking. Thank you for watching.